Hi. Hi, I'm Upendra Potidar, Director of Business Development, Kneo Automation. We are into PLC software development and commissioning for machines, and we are doing industrial automation and digitalization projects, Industry 4.0, where we do the complete digital factory. We have a platform called MAP, Monitor and Analyze Plant Performance. So there are modular solutions which has got for performance monitoring of the machines, then maintenance, quality, then scheduling and planning. Then we have quality 4.0 softwares. And Automation Expo is really a good platform where we can showcase our capabilities, our solutions, the upcoming new technologies on AI and data analysis. So it's good to be here, and I thanks Automation Expo for giving us an opportunity to participate. Thank you.